Welcome to this wonderful place, and this is my invitation to you for evening practice before you go to sleep. It probably has been a long day, a lot of things are going on, a lot of different ideas, and what we need to do now is to calm down, because there are a lot of different thoughts in our head, and it's not good if you want to fall asleep. So this is going to be very peaceful, very calm practice for you to have the best sleep ever. So let's get started. It's very simple. Let's start with a standing pose and try to concentrate on your breathing and lift your hands up. Take a deep breath in, stretch up and lower your hands and bend the knees a little bit. Round your back, go lower down and little by little return. Your head is the last one that you lift up. Okay, the shoulders are back. Open up, dip in, stretch up, as high as you can, and then you lower the hands down and you bend the knees. Relax. Shoulders relaxed. You can swing a little bit. You don't go to the very end, but just nicely. And now roll up with the knees bent, back is round, and the head is the last one that is going up. Good. One more time together. Deep in. And again, deep out. Remember about the bending the knees and relaxing the back and lower back and slight swing. It should be very pleasant, light. Shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed, head is free, and you're here now. Good. And let's roll back up. Very nice. Very good pose to start and to get ready for more. So what we are going to do, we are going down very slowly, no rush. There's a lot of rush during the day, then there is no rush at the moment. Close your eyes and let's go through the body to see how it feels. And if you feel any tension, just relax. If you feel like the mind is trying to get you involved in any thoughts, return it to your body and get more relaxed with each exhale. Let's bring all the stress down by lowering the forehead to the floor. And just relax. Let's bring it up. Very nice. And let's do it once again and move the hands behind the back and bring them there together. Very well. Forehead is on the floor and you are relaxed. You are still breathing. Very pleasant feeling. All the tension is leaving. Good. Lift up. Roll your shoulders back. Open up the chest. Like about 4 times. The movements are slow. You want to calm everything down. If the mind is calm, you bring the breathing down and it's easier to fall asleep. Okay, let's bring the hands together and move to the sides. Just slowly, gently, no exaggeration, just to the sides. Good, great job. And now round your back and bring hands forward. And open up. Again, bring hands forward and back. Repeat. Great. And now we'll do the side bends. Put your legs in a crossed position and very slight bending to the sides. Wow, very good stretch. Feel it, but gently. If you start doing it actively, you won't be able to fall asleep. So the more slowly and more softly you go, the more pleasant will be your sleep. Good. Breathe a little bit. Close your eyes and just imagine your spine. Try to see it and feel it at the same time. Just going up and down along the spine. Imagining the crown on your head and working. It's like walking up the stairs along the spine. Good. We are almost already fallen asleep, so I hope I don't have to wake you up. Let's get on all fours. And let's round the back and arch. Let's round it and arch. Round your back and arch it again, just gently, so that you feel your spine again a little bit activated, rather than every day during the day it was not engaged. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breath in and out. Very well. And now you are just trying to straighten your hands and try to put your forehead on the floor. And stretch the chest. Very slightly. Move hands closer to yourself. And once again, we go further. Fantastic. What we want to do is one more pose, and it's going to start with the triangle. Downward facing dog. That looks like a triangle. And then you bring the bent leg forward. Let's say the left one is going first. And give yourself a nice stretch. Along with the breathing, very gently, very nicely. And let's switch the downward facing dog or something that looks like a triangle. And the right foot goes forward and it's bent. And we feel nicely. Very good. And one more time with each leg. Small stretching. Just tiny little bit. A little bit of bigger stretch probably. And we lean forwards. Go as low as you feel, as comfortable and pleasant. You are not challenging yourself to anything, just other than the relaxing. And switch the leg.
And now, once again, stretch. Gently lower your knees and return sitting on the knees.
And again, close your eyes. Observe the body, trying to remove all the stress that you accumulated during the day. Having your spine straight, the shoulders down, the chest forward and open. You inhale calmness. You're getting ready to sleep. Feeling great. It was a wonderful day you spent and did a great job. As much as you could, as good as you could. Remember 3 things that are together always: the body position, breathing, and thinking, your mind working. Yes, it's time to go to sleep. Wonderful practice. Thank you. Don't forget, if you are ladies, to remove all the makeup you had during the day. I know you are sleepy already, so this is the number 1 for your beauty, and I'll see you soon. And this was me, Yogini Rasa from Gozo Island and wonderful Victoria.